Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to change your phone number on Facebook, first thing, just simply select the three lines on the top right corner or your profile. So, guys, if you're using an Apple, it will be just at the bottom. And moving on, it will be just the same process if you're using an Android or Apple, and select the gear icon on the top right over here. Now, here select See More in Accounts Center. Now, just simply go ahead and select personal details down below. Now, here, you can just simply go ahead and select contact info at the very top. Now, you should be able to see here your old phone number. So first, let's remove the old number. Tap on it and just simply tap delete number. Tap on delete. Now, as you can see, once you have deleted your previous number, you can just simply select add new contact, tap add mobile number, and from here you could just simply go ahead and provide your number over here, and you could select the change as well over here to change the country where you are located. Now just simply provide your mobile number over here and choose the account for this number down below and tap on next. Now, after that, guys, a confirmation will be sent to your WhatsApp, or if you don't have a WhatsApp, you will just simply select get code via SMS instead down below. And now it will be automatically input once you have received the text, or if you don't, you will just simply go ahead and get the code on your messages application. Now, as you can see, we have added our number, tap on close, and there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.